The Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks just took a wild turn, and honestly, this might be the biggest upgrade Samsung has delivered in years. For weeks we've been hearing whispers about faster charging, but now the leaks are no longer whispers. They're loud, clear, and surprising. Phone art just dropped two back-to-back confirmations saying the S26 Ultra will officially go beyond 45W and jump straight to 60W charging. And the crazy part? He says it's 100% confirmed and unchanged. It really feels like Samsung is finally waking up and pushing past that limit we've been stuck at since the S20 Ultra. But this story gets even better. People digging through the new One UI 8.5 firmware found something hidden inside the code, a new feature called Super Fast Charging 3.0. The moment that text string showed up, all eyes locked onto it because Samsung doesn't give features a new version number unless something big is changing. And the timing lines up perfectly with the 60W leak. Everything is pointing to the same conclusion. The S26 Ultra is about to deliver the fastest charging speed in Samsung's history. It's wild to think about how long this took. Samsung introduced fast charging back in 2015 with just 15W, and 5 years later they stepped up to 45W with the S20 Ultra. Then they pulled back to 25W for the S21 Ultra, brought 45W back with the S22 Ultra, and then nothing for years. That's why this 60W jump feels so refreshing. Everything we've heard about the Galaxy S26 Ultra so far makes it feel like Samsung is quietly preparing one of the biggest shakeups this series has seen in years. Every new rumor adds another layer of excitement, another hint that this flagship won't just be an upgrade, it'll be a whole new experience. Reports keep circling back to these major design changes, and honestly, the idea of Samsung moving toward a more curved, more fluid shape instantly sparks curiosity. It feels like the brand is stepping back into that classic Galaxy S aesthetic, letting go of the sharp, boxy note-like edges we've gotten used to on the Ultra models. And then there's the S Pen mystery, which keeps pulling people into endless debates. Ever since Samsung removed the Bluetooth features this year, and even dropped S Pen support from the Galaxy Z Fold 7, it made fans wonder if the stylus was slowly being pushed aside. Some whispers even claimed Samsung might ditch it in future Ultra models to make the phone thinner, and that rumor alone sent a wave of worry through the community. But for now, the story takes a more hopeful turn. Every sign points to the S Pen surviving another year, staying right where it belongs on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. A leaked image on X shows a redesigned S Pen. Even though the glimpse is small, it's enough to suggest Samsung is refreshing the look to match the new design language. It probably won't bring back Bluetooth features, but fans can't help hoping for a surprise anyway. And just when it seemed like the leaks couldn't get more interesting, a new report drops the biggest hint yet. Samsung might finally be preparing a long-awaited upgrade for the Ultra lineup, something we haven't seen since the Galaxy S20 Ultra back in 2020. Faster wired charging paired with this new design direction makes the S26 Ultra feel like the first true step forward in years, like a device that's about to break the familiar pattern and set a new tone for the entire series. Two huge leaks dropped, and together they paint a shocking picture of what Samsung is really cooking for the S26 Ultra. Let's break this down because things just got interesting. So, first, these new dummy unit leaks. Black and white S26 Ultra models are shown side by side, and honestly, these look way too polished to be early prototypes. The matte black finish is giving full stealth mode energy, and the white one? Easily one of the cleanest Samsung designs in years. The camera rings are tighter, the layout is more balanced, and the whole frame looks sharper and more squared off. Samsung is clearly going for a premium, minimalistic, almost precision-built vibe this year. And if these are dummy units, they're extremely close to the final production shape. But here's where the story flips, because while everyone is busy looking at the design, phone art just dropped something way more serious about the Galaxy camera itself. And if Samsung doesn't fix this, the S26 Ultra might launch with the same limitation that has annoyed users for years. He points out that HDR and Scene Optimizer still can't be used in Pro mode, which means even if you adjust ISO, shutter speed, or white balance yourself, bright light shots still end up blowing out highlights. The sample video he shared shows exactly that. Santa's hat is oversaturated, the whites are clipping, and the dynamic range collapses the moment strong lighting hits the subject. And he's right. Samsung's Pro mode is powerful, but without HDR, it can't compete with Apple's and Google's computational results in harsh lighting. Now combine that with the S26 Ultra's new design leak, and suddenly the picture becomes clear. Samsung is pushing hardware refinement on the outside, but the camera software still needs a serious upgrade on the inside. Because what's the point of those beautiful new lenses if Pro mode can't fully utilize them? The good news? These dummy units and this camera complaint are dropping at the perfect time, right before Samsung finalizes firmware for launch. And Samsung does listen to this specific leaker, which means there's a real chance we could see HDR Pro mode or at least some level of computational blending added before release. So right now, we're looking at a device with a killer new look, a more mature camera layout, and a potential fix to one of Samsung's longest-standing issues if they take the feedback seriously. If these leaks are real, and they're looking extremely convincing, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might just end up being the most refined Ultra Samsung has ever made. But only if Samsung nails both the hardware and the software this time.